Hey, this is Cornelius at Fair Car Wash, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Quick Ceramic at home. So for this product, all you're going to need is the Quick Ceramic and 2 microfiber rags. As always, read the instructions before using any of our products. So what you do is you mist onto one rag. You wipe it on a small surface. Then with the second microfiber rag, you polish off that surface before it dries. And you continue this throughout the whole vehicle until the whole car is shiny and ready to go. So I'm sure you've heard a lot about ceramic coatings. This one here is a quick ceramic coating, which is something you can do yourself at home. While the other products that we offer, we have to have professionally paint corrected, and only our licensed technicians will apply that ceramic coating to your vehicle. And just like that, your vehicle is now protected with a hydrophobic ceramic spray. If you like the product you just seen and you want to try it at home, come visit us at our Leamington location or visit us at faircarwash.com to pick up your home detailing kit that has all the products that we offer. Have a blessed day.